Welcome to this guided meditation on the senses of Japan. As we begin, find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Allow yourself to fully relax and let go of any distractions or thoughts. It is a beautiful autumn day in Japan. The sun is shining brightly in the sky, and a cool breeze blows through the trees. The leaves are turning golden and red, creating a stunning display of colors. As the sun began to rise over the bustling city of Tokyo, a gentle breeze sweeps through the streets, carrying with it the faint aroma of freshly brewed coffee and grilled fish. Vibrant neon lights of the city shine brightly, reflecting off the towering skyscrapers. The sounds of honking cars and chatter filled the air, creating a lively atmosphere. As you walk through the crowded streets, the colorful displays of street vendors and shops catch your eye, their vivid hues practically begging to be touched. The smooth, cool surface of a ceramic bowl at a pottery shop calls to you, tempting you to run your fingers over its glazed surface. The warmth of the morning sun on your skin is a welcome change from the crisp autumn air, and you can feel the sweat begin to bead on your forehead as you make your way to the bustling market. The chaos of the crowded stalls is a bit overwhelming, but the rich, earthy smells of spices are absolutely intoxicating. There is a connection to every person around, bringing joy and comfort. You walk up to a food stand and reach out to touch a plump, juicy tomato, feeling the smoothness of its skin under your fingers. Next to it is a pile of prickly lychee fruit that is perfectly ripened. As you make your way through the market, you can't resist the temptation to sample some of the delicious treats. The sweet, sticky texture of mochi on your tongue is a delight, and the spicy kick of wasabi in your nose makes your eyes water. Leaving the hustle of the city's excitement, you enter the Sensoji temple, and the smells of incense and burning candles fill your nostrils. The sound of chanting and drums echoed through the halls, adding to the peaceful atmosphere. The smooth texture of the temple's wooden floor and the rough texture of the stone statues added to your sensory experience. As you continue your journey through Japan, you taste the delicious flavors of sushi and tempura, feel the soft fur of the bowing deer at Nara Park, and even experience the thrill of riding a bullet train at high speeds. As the day draws to an end and the sun begins to set over the city, the cool evening air brings with it the salty tang of the sea and the sound of distant waves crashing against the shore. Exhausted but satisfied, you make your way back to your hotel, your senses fully immersed in the vibrant, lively culture of Japan. This beautiful country truly offers a sensory experience like no other, and memories that you will cherish forever. Now, slowly bring yourself back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and now exhale. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and stretch your body. Remember to carry the sense of peace and connection with you as you go about your day. Thank you for joining me on this journey to Japan.